Hi guys, I'm going to show you this HAIMEEC C cordless vacuum cleaner, quite state-of-the-art model I would say, comes with everything what we can expect these days. Has a powerful brushless motor, large battery. It has maximum suction of up to 12 kPa, which is definitely decent. Is suitable for pretty much every kind of floor, even low pile carpets. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what you get and then how you can use it. And so this is how you get everything nicely packaged, nicely protected. Here inside comes also with this user manual. Here the detailed specs, all the parts which we get, assembly, usage and storage. And so I have here the whole set, everything what you get. And what we can see is that it's very beautiful. I love this blue metallic design and all the parts look very good quality. Here we have even metal, good small brush here. Also this special nozzle can help. But of course the highlight is the main brush with the built-in LED lights. I had already some vacuum cleaners with lights, some without lights, and I would never go again with a vacuum cleaner without such lights. This can be super helpful. And we can see the well-designed brush here underneath. This is absolutely state-of-the-art. This is exactly what we want to see because it's very easy to clean. And it's not only easy to clean, you will have to clean it much less than with a normal brush with normal bristles. If you have to clean, you can open it here on the side. You can remove this part. Then you can lift it up here from the side, pull it out. And so we get even this cleaning tool which we can use to remove the hair. Can easily put it back. Then we align the hex nut to make it straight, push it easy inside and put the cover back. We have also 4 wheels here, 2 in the front and 2 large ones in the back. And what's super helpful is that we can rotate this in pretty much all directions. What's also super helpful is that we can make it very flat to reach far underneath furniture. And so here's the main part. So we have to add the battery. We just push it up, has a nice lock. So we can charge it when it's attached, or we can also charge the battery when it's removed from the main device. And so we have a lot of different options to use it. We can use it, for example, with this telescope extension, and it's even extendable as you can see. And so in the front we can add all the brushes. We get a nice lock, but of course we can also use the large motorized brush, easy release. But if you don't need the extension, we can also use all the brushes directly here. Even the large one. The set comes also with a wall bracket, so you can mount this on a wall and then store and hold the vacuum like that. And so I have it now fully working in a small edition without the extension. And to turn it on, we just press the trigger and then we can choose the different settings. When we want to increase to maximum power, we can just push here and then you can see it has very strong suction. But even in the maximum power, it's not really loud. And so I've produced a little bit of mess, which I want to clean up for you. So let's go with the maximum power. We can also see the really great light here. Yeah, definitely the whole mess is gone in no time. And nothing to see down here. So everything is inside. And that's very easy to clean. We can just push down here and then we have the flap open. We can just push it a little bit down and then release all the dirt into dust bin. Most convenient solution I've ever seen. If you like, you can also remove the filter from down here. To unlock, we twist it counterclockwise and then just pull it out. Comes also with the top filter attached, which we can just pull out. So we can blow out these filters or even rinse it with cold water and then let them fully dry, put them back. We get even a replacement filter. And if needed, we can even remove the whole part. We just push this down and then we have to push the container a little bit in this direction and this direction at the same time. So I push down, push up and move it to the left side. And it's also very easy to put everything back after cleaning. This filter we can add from the top, close it again, align this hook here in the front and just push it here inside. Yeah, and so I've tried it for a little bit and everything has been working absolutely awesome. Works great for larger areas, but also for smaller areas with these nice small nozzles. I love the strong suction, how quiet it is, easy to use, and even though it's highly recommended to read the whole manual, I didn't need it because everything is pretty much self-explaining. And so I haven't found any real disadvantage or so. It's definitely not a Dyson or so, there's no way to compete with Dyson, but it makes a really good impression. Everything feels pretty solid. But of course I wouldn't pay $400 for this thing, but I would say if you can get it for around maybe $150 or so, go and get it. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.